LOUTOC Roku TV Remote. Upgrade your viewing experience with instant setup, big features, and no hassles. Say goodbye to remote frustration. Tired of battling with old, unresponsive Roku remotes? The LOUTOC Replacement Remote is here to make your life easier. Designed specifically for all Roku TVs, it offers instant use with no setup required. Just pop in AAA batteries, and you're good to go. Ready to enjoy your favorite shows without any annoying delays. It's the simplest way to get back to binge watching without the fuss. Features that stand out. The LOUTOC Remote is packed with features to take your streaming experience to the next level. With dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and Hulu, you can skip the remote search and get to your content faster than ever. Plus, it has a range of over 25 feet and responds in just 0.3 seconds. Perfect for when you need to pause the action or skip an intro in a hurry. Built for long-term use. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and silicone, the LOUTOC Remote is built to last. The soft, responsive buttons are designed for over 120,000 clicks. Meaning you can use it for years without worry. Whether you're casually flipping through channels or in full-on movie marathon mode, the durability and reliability of this remote make it the perfect replacement for your worn-out one. Time and money saver. Why spend more on expensive original remotes when the LOUTOC Replacement gives you everything you need for a fraction of the price? It works seamlessly with a wide range of Roku TVs, saving you both time and money. No setup, no hassle, just a quick pop of batteries and you're ready to roll. Plus, with its long-lasting battery life, up to 6 to 8 months with regular use, you'll spend less on replacements. Customer satisfaction, guaranteed. At LOUTOC, we're committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Our remote comes with a 60-day unlimited return and refund service, ensuring you're completely happy with your purchase. We understand the importance of a reliable remote, and our goal is to enhance your TV experience with technology that works efficiently, affordably, and seamlessly. Reach out to us anytime. We're here to support you.